Hey Bunky. Today is Mother's Day.
Really? I had no idea.
I can't believe you didn't remember. After all, Mommy is the one who always feeds us the really good food. I'm ashamed of you.
You are right, Astro. I should have known better. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Don't worry, Pumpkin, you can make it up to our Mommy.
Really? That sounds great. But how can I do that?
It's easy. We will make her a nice Mother's Day video with us in it and then she can watch it again and again.
That's a great idea, Astro. Let's get started right now.
Poor Pumpkin. We have already started making the video, but unfortunately we are just wasting valuable film right now. Daddy would be ashamed of you for wasting film.
My bad. My mind is just distracted by the thought of me eating cheese. American is my favorite, you know.
Will you stop thinking about your stomach right now? I want to do something nice for our Mommy.
But Astro, I can't do that. After all, a girl's gotta eat, you know. And besides, how else would I be able to keep in such perfect shape?
I hope you realize that if we make this video really cute, then Mommy is more likely to give us even more treats than she normally does.
You are so right. Although this video is already cute, you know.
Why is that?
Because I'm in it, of course.
You are so ridiculous, Spunky. Mommy, I am so sorry that this video is as stinky as Pumpkin's farts. I'm trying to do my best. I even put on this awesome costume for you.
Oh, so that's why you're dressed like that. I thought you were just trying to be as cute as me. Which everyone knows could never happen.
Well, Pumpkin, sometimes I can't believe the things you say.
I can't believe it either. Who knew I could say such adorable things?
I am so sorry, Mommy, that you have to watch this video.
Oops, my bad.
Oh well. It is the thought that counts, right, Mommy? Well, happy Mother's Day to the bestest Mommy in the world.
Yay, happy Mother's Day, Mommy. You're awesome at giving me cheese, you know.
Love you, Mommy. Have an awesome day.
I love you too, Mommy. I'll see you the next time I want something. Do you think this video is good enough for us to get chicken?
Oh, that is it. I give up.
It was worth a shot.